I use AI to optimize my LinkedIn profile, and my profile views tripled. Here are the 5 prompts I used, and you can steal them. I'm Kelly with the Wandering Duchess. If you're job searching right now, your LinkedIn profile is one of the most important tools you have. Recruiters are searching LinkedIn every single day looking for candidates. But if your profile isn't optimized, you might as well be invisible. And I get it. Writing about yourself is hard. Trying to sound impressive without sounding arrogant, even harder. That's where AI comes in. I'm going to give you 5 AI prompts that will transform your LinkedIn profile in about 20 minutes. These aren't generic tips. These are copy paste prompts that will rewrite your headline, your about section, your experience bullets, and more. Plus, I made you a free cheat sheet, just like I always do, with all 5 prompts and examples. The link is in the description, just like it is on the previous videos. You just need to click on it, and it'll take you to where you can download that. So let's make your LinkedIn profile actually work for you. Prompt 1, rewrite your LinkedIn headline to get found by recruiters. Your headline is the first thing people see, and most people waste it. Here's what not to do: marketing manager, customer service professional, seeking new opportunities. They're generic. They don't tell anyone what you actually do or what makes you valuable. Here's the prompt that I use. And you put your role or title, looking for, type in the job. My current LinkedIn headline is, and you're going to paste what you have there currently. Help me rewrite it to be more compelling and searchable. Include my value proposition, key skills, expertise, what I'm looking for. Keep it under 220 characters. And here's the thing, if it initially comes back with over 220 characters, you can tell it you're over characters, tighten it up. And also add in there, feel free to ask me any questions for clarification. I always put that on there because then it'll ask you anything more you need so it can tailor it towards you. But here's what AI did for me. Before, I had senior customer success manager. After, customer success leader, driving 30 million plus in account growth, CX strategy and retention expert, open to director roles. You see the difference? The new headline tells you what I do, customer success, my level, leader, my impact, 30 million plus accounts, my experience, CX strategy and retention, and what I'm looking for, director roles. And it's packed with keywords recruiters actually search for. Use this prompt, rewrite your headline, make yourself findable. Prompt number 2, transform your about section from boring to compelling. Your about section is your chance to tell your story, but most people either write a laundry list of skills, sound like a robot, or just leave it blank. So here's the prompt. Here's my current LinkedIn about section. You're going to paste the current about that you have, rewrite it to hook readers in the first 2 sentences, show my unique value, not just list skills, include keywords for your target role, sound authentic, not robotic, and end with a clear call to action, CTA. What AI will do, instead of starting with, I am a customer service professional with 10 years of experience, AI will write something like, I turn at risk accounts into long term partnerships. When a $15 million customer was ready to walk, I led the turnaround strategy that not only saved the account, but expanded it. See how that hooks you in? AI helps you start with impact, not credentials. Show your value through stories. Sound like a human, not a resume. End with a reason to connect. Your about section should make people want to reach out. Use the prompt to make that happen. Prompt number 3, Rewrite your experience bullets to show strategic value. This one is huge. Most people write their LinkedIn experience like a resume from 1995. Responsible for customer accounts, managed daily operations, coordinated with teams. That language makes you sound junior, even if you were doing strategic work. Here's the prompt, and here's how I currently describe my role. Here's how I currently describe my role at whatever the company it is. Paste current bullets. Rewrite these to show strategic impact, not just tasks. Use the format what I led, created, solved, how it impacted the business, quantify results where possible, make me sound whatever target level, manager, director, etc., not just someone completing tasks. Here's what happened to my bullets. Before, managed customer relationships and resolved issues. After, led strategic relationship management for top 3 accounts representing 30 million plus in revenue, spearheading cross-functional initiatives that reduced churn by 15% and secured $15 million in expansion business. Same work, completely different positioning. AI helps you lead with action, led, created, designed, show business impact, quantify result, position yourself at the right level. If you've been underselling yourself on LinkedIn, and most people are, this prompt will fix it. Prompt number 4, find the keywords you're missing. Here's the thing, recruiters aren't just browsing LinkedIn hoping to stumble upon you. They're searching for specific keywords. And if those keywords aren't on your profile, you're invisible. So here's the prompt. I'm targeting, put the job title, roles in whatever industry, based on typical job descriptions for this role. What keywords and skills am I likely missing from my LinkedIn profile? Review this summary of my experience. Paste a brief summary. Tell me what to add to my headline, about section, skill section, experience descriptions. When I ran this, AI told me I was missing customer journey mapping. I do this, just didn't name it. Voice of the customer, programs, same, doing it, didn't label it. SaaS, obvious keyword I forgot. Change management, I was doing it, just not saying it. These are the exact terms recruiters search for. AI finds the gaps, you fill them in. Suddenly you're showing up in searches you weren't before. This is how you get found. Prompt number 5, get ideas for posts that keep you visible. Okay, I know posting on LinkedIn feels weird, especially when you're job searching. But interacting with people in your industry and commenting on their stuff, adding value to your industry or to your role really helps. You don't want to look desperate and you don't want to be salesy, but staying silent, that's even worse. Recruiters want to see that you're active, that you're engaged, and that you're current in your field. So here's the prompt. I want to post on LinkedIn to build my professional brand and attract opportunities in, you're going to type in your field, based on my experience in, and give a brief background. Give me 10 LinkedIn post ideas that show my expertise, provide value to my network, don't feel salesy or desperate, are authentic to someone job searching. AI gave me ideas like what I learned from turning around a churning account, 3 mistakes I made early in my career, and what I do differently now. The one question every customer success leader should ask their teams. These posts show you're active and thinking strategically. They also provide value, not just talking about yourself. Keep you visible to recruiters. Don't scream, I'm desperate for a job. You're saying, I'm an expert in my field. You don't have to post every day, but posting 1 to 2 times a week keeps you on people's radar. And when a recruiter sees your profile, they see someone engaged and current, not someone who's been sitting idle. Okay, so these are your 5 prompts. First, download the free cheat sheet. It has all 5 prompts, before and after examples, and a LinkedIn optimization checklist. The link is in the description. Share it, like it, tell others about it. We need to get this information out to help people. Second, pick one prompt and use it today. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Just start with your headline or your about section and make one improvement. Third, comment below and tell me, which prompt are you using first? I really want to know what you're working on. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now. I'm sharing job search strategies every week, and you don't want to miss them. And by subscribing and interacting, you're telling the algorithm to put this information out there so others can see it. Oh, and one more thing, the skill of positioning yourself strategically, that's exactly what I teach on Modern CX Mindset. That's my other YouTube video. If you want to go deeper on how to communicate your values on LinkedIn and interviews anywhere in the job, check it out. The link is in the description. I'm doing little micro trainings all the time so that you can be better at what you do. So your LinkedIn profile should work for you, not against you. Use these prompts, make the changes, get found. I'm Kelli, the Wandering Duchess, and I'll see you next week.